Today I have Dave's hot chicken mozzarella cheese sticks. So first we're going to go ahead and try the medium. Mm. Oh my goodness. Now let's try it with Dave's sauce. It's so crunchy and has so much flavor. All right, let's get into the hot. I love me some spice. No cheese pull on that one. Let's try it from the other side. Ooh, that's spicy. No cheese pull. Dave's hot chicken ranch. All right, let's try the extra spicy one. It's doable, but it's spicy. This is so good. I can tell you one thing. They know how to season their chicken. Look at that. Okay. Woo. That extra hot one was spicy. I don't know if I can try anything spicier than that. And then they give you a piece of bread too. So, got me in here sweating. My lips are literally burning. Mm. 10 out of 10.